I'm going to talk about data binding in web applications, which is different from what you heard when you learn Java core, okay? So most likely in web applications, you are gonna using a form to submit the information to the server side to save to the database or other things you want to do. Suppose we have a form like this one is a sign up, and in the sign up you have two input text. One is for the first name, the other one is for the last name. And here you you have a submit button here, okay? You have the way is in the methods in the controller, you can using the request parameter, the annotation request param to retrieve the values one by one. There is another way which is Spring form framework will do is Spring MVC framework. Okay, what's gonna do? Suppose this is your user controller, public class user controller, okay? And you have an annotation for the post mapping, and this method has suppose for sign up, okay? And you're using public string save user, okay? One way is here you're using request param to retrieve the value one by one, which means retrieve the first name and the last name, which is not good, because think about if you have a very long form and you have to have a request param for every like a parameter you want to save in the server side, right? This is really not good. Another way is you have another domain model, which is a class user. And in the user, you have the instance variable, which is the first name, and you have another one, which is last name. And when you submit a form handled by this method, save user, you put a user, this domain model here, and the framework, the Spring framework, at the runtime will automatically retrieve, suppose here is Tina, okay? Is XNG. He will automatically retrieve Tina and set the value in this domain model first. And he will retrieve this XING and set a value to this last using the set method inside this user domain model. And by this process, which Spring Framework do for you, is called data binding. Some people will call automatic data binding. And when we refer data binding in web applications, we talk about the framework will automatically bind the values you submit, you input in the browser form and to the domain model when you submit the method you handle for the post mapping. Okay, that's for data binding, and I will upload another video and show you how to do that in the code. Thank you for watching and see you next time.